Hello, I'm Norman Black, and welcome back to another issue of Crosby Inside Basketball. Tonight we would like to continue our discussions on the different player position roles on the basketball court, and we would like to focus on the strong or power forward position. And we would like to bring in Philip Cesar, considered one of the top power forwards in the PBA, to help us explain the role of the power forward. But first, what does a power forward do? Well, on defense, the power forward should play the other team's best offensive player. For instance, if the Crispa Redmanizers were playing the Great Taste Coffee Makers, then Philip Cesar would have to stick Boggs Adonado on defense. Second, the strong forward is counted on to be, along with the center, the last line of defense. Example, if Atoy Ko or Bernie Fabiosa was to lose their man and their man was to go to the hoop to try to score the basket, Philip Cesar would be counted on, or the strong forward would be counted on to be the last line of defense and to try to protect the basket. And third, the strong forward is counted on to grab defensive rebounds. He must block out his man every time down the court to make sure that his man does not get the offensive rebound. But what does Philip Cesar think about his role as a defensive rebounder for the Crispa Redmanizers?
Ang una mong gagawin para makakuha ka ng rebound, i-box out mo muna siya. Yun naman ang unang dapat sa para makakuha ka ng rebound eh. Ngayon, depende rin naman sa talbog ng bola yan eh. Diba? Kung na-box out mo nga siya, tapos malaki siya, tapos yung bola eh medyo dito sa tuktok mo babaksak, siyempre, kailangan talagang medyo gagamitan mo ng konting body, tawag doon. Tapos i-out jump mo nga siya para ganon. Para hindi yung bang maano mo siya ng konti, yung ma-out balance mo siya, hindi niya makuha ng maganda yung bola. Ganon ang kadalasang ginagawa ko.
On offense, the strong forward should concentrate on taking his shots within 18 feet of the basket. He should concentrate on staying around the 3-second area or the shaded lane area and concentrate on grabbing the offensive rebounds when they come off of the boards. He should also try to assist his teammates with good assist passes and also set screens to open up his teammates. For instance, Philip Cesar, he tries to set screens for Atoy Ko and Bernie Fabiosa to try to get them open for their free shots. But what does Philip Cesar think his role is as an offensive player for the Crispa Redmanizers as a power forward?
Pagka kasing laki ko lang, ang dumidepensa sa akin, I usually go for one-on-one. Ngayon, kung malaki, medyo iniintay ko muna i-set up yung play namin. Or lumalabas ako ng konti, mga 17 to 18 feet, para magkaroon ako ng distansya na kung pwede ko siyang i-out maneuver or i-jump shot ko yung yung aking kung paano ko makaka-score. Pag maliit naman, yung halos kasing laki ko lang, I usually go for one-on-one.
All in all, the power forward should be the type of player that is a workhorse. He may not get the same recognition of maybe the shooting guard or the shooting forward, but his teammates know the value of his play because just like Philip Cesar, the power forward is a construction worker. He is the backbone of the team. I'm Norman Black. This has been Crosby Inside Basketball. See you next week.